welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicole. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Before we get any further in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to order your prescription glasses online. First, you're going to go and download the Zeelool app. I'll have their website linked in my description. As you can see, there are different categories. You have men, women, reading, kids, sunglasses. You also have vivid cheek, basic cheek, and grace cheek. We're going to go with the vivid cheek for the purpose of this video. Then you're going to go and select the glasses that you want. You just browse through, select the glasses that you want, and we're going to select this one for example, and just select the type that you want. And if that's the one you want to go with, fine. If not, just go through and select the type that you like. Say you only want the frame by itself, you're gonna click on frame only, meaning without prescription, and then you're just going to go and select only frame, or if you want to have it photochromic lenses, you can choose that as well. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to go back and we're going to select lenses. Select lenses if you want to get your prescription put into these glasses. So these are the different options. You have single vision, progressive, reading glasses, non-prescription. My previous glasses, those were progressive, but this time around I'm gonna go with single vision. So let's hit single vision, and to put in parameters for your right and left eye, you're just going to hit on the SPH or CYL and the axis for your right and left eye, and that is your prescription. Then you're going to go down to where it says pupillar distance, and that is where you'll put in your PD. I showed you guys how to do that in my previous video. Now if you wanted to add prism, if you're not sure what that is, you click on the question mark and that will bring up the explanation. To add that to your glasses, you hit on add, but for the purpose of this video, we're not going to do all of that. I didn't get that on my glasses too, so depends on you. Then you're going to hit save my prescription if you want to save it, to have it as a preset. Submit and confirm. Then it's gonna bring you to where it says lens type. So if you want a standard eyeglasses lens, blue light blocking, photochromic driving, color tinted lenses. Say for example you wanted to get the transitional lens, hit on photochromic lenses, then you'll select gray or amber color, you hit next. Then it's gonna bring you to where it says lens, and here it's saying all our lenses include scratch resistance, anti-reflective, and updated hard covering. So all their lenses have this included. If you wanted extra protection, choose whichever one you want, but we're gonna go with the free one. Now add to cart. Whichever glasses that you want to check out, you just ensure that that one has a check mark. Then you click on check out, put in your address, and add your shipping method and any coupons that you want to apply. And once you're done, you just hit place order, and that's it. Look what I got today. Yay. Your girl got some new glasses. Yo, I know you guys don't really see me wearing my test glasses a lot. I usually will get my eyes tested and then I would buy my frames online, and then I will go to my optometrist to have them put in my lens. But on my last visit, the reception was not so. First of all, I went there for a 1:45 appointment, and this guy came in after me for a 2 o'clock appointment, because I heard him say that his appointment was at 2 and he came in a bit early. Anyways, I don't know what happened, but this guy ended up going before me, and my appointment was at 1:45. And when I went up to ask, like, excuse me, was my appointment pushed back or something, the girl was a little bit snippy with me, and I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this. So I decided that going forward, I may just be getting my lenses online because too expensive for not being appreciated as a customer. I'm trying to open this thing. Okay, so this is Zeelool. This is my first time actually buying from them. This is not sponsored, guys. I bought this with my own money. So, okay. Ooh, nice. So cute. They all came in their little packages. They feel very light too. I hope they're good quality. Oh my gosh. No, look at that. See the details right there. Let's try this one on. Ooh. Ooh, these are so clear too. Wow.
They look neat.
Yeah. I like
And
that.
there's a really cool effect happening in your lenses.
Ooh. These ones are, I have my prescription in them, but they're clear, meaning they're not transitional. I got one with a transitional. I'll show you that one. Wow. And they're very lightweight. They're cute. I like it, y'all. All right, so this is glasses number 1. They're really light. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what, let me save this one for last. These ones are in black. They're actually exactly the same as these ones. They're just the black for this one, but these ones should be the transitional ones. Transitional meaning like when I'm outside in the sun, they should turn to like a dark frame. These are nice. Oh my gosh, and I can see so clearly in them too. Yeah, so these ones I have in my prescription as well. So I'm like, so these, all of them are prescription. So I'm gonna give you guys the prices of what I actually paid, because I got like 3 glasses and they came up to roughly $100 and something. I'll give you the amounts that I paid, but this is the one that is the most expensive out of all of them, even though it's the same as this. But because I have my prescription in this, and this one has transitional lens, and this one is the same except the transitional lens, so that's why this one ended up being a little bit more expensive. But look at that, I like it. I look cute enough. I look cute. I like them, and they're very lightweight. It's like I'm not even wearing anything on my face, and I like that. Ooh, I like this. You see how this one, look here, the other glasses them have the little padding here. These don't have it, but it still feels very comfortable. Maybe it cause my face not to, like, cause you know sometimes you wear your glasses and your makeup's, because it's resting here on your face, it start to separate your makeup from right here. This feels nice. I like it. Last but not least, I only got like 3, and this one, ooh, yeah, this is what I'm talking. See how this one have the padding there? These don't have them. These ones don't have them. Yeah, but look at these. Oh my gosh. These are like fancy. Oh. Ooh, oh my god. Wow. I love this. I can't. This is like one of them days there when you're feeling all posh and you're having a nice little outfit and you know, bling bling. Ooh. I love this one, and like I said, this is prescription as well. I have my prescription in this one, but it's not transitional. The only one I got transitional was this one. But I wonder how it would have looked though if I had got it transitional, like when I'm out in the sun. I like it clear though, it looks really good. This is nice. Yes guys, oh my gosh, I really love them. Yeah, so I got them from Zeelool. I'll leave their information in my description. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. Bought these glasses with my own money, and honestly I really love them. I would recommend you guys try out this website. The fact that I'm able to get my prescription in them, and I paid roughly $100 and something for the 3 glasses. This is amazing, because I know glasses can be expensive. Test glasses can be expensive. No, honestly, this is amazing. I don't think I'm going back to go get my sorry, I'm gonna go back. I'm not going back.
Yeah, that's, I mean, makes perfect sense to me.
These things are gonna run out these people out of business though. No, for real. This is crazy.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, I love it. But yeah, guys, try them out. I'll leave their link in my description. I'm gonna see if I can get some kind of discount or something for you guys. Like if you use my link or something to sign up or whatever, but I'll see how that goes. But regardless, I'll leave their link in my description. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.